What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another experimental cooking video for you. Now you remember back in January when I tried to make an experimental drink called fruit milkshakes, where I used sorbet in place of ice cream? Well, today I'm going to show you another experimental recipe, and this is a work in progress, but it's called a root beer milkshake. So let's go over what we need. So to make these root beer float milkshakes, you're going to need some vanilla ice cream. You're also going to need some root beer soda, and you're also going to need some whipped topping. Preferably, make sure the whipped topping is frozen first. So here's what we got to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple scoops of ice cream to a container for mixing, because we need a blender for this one. So about 3 scoops ought to do it. Next, you're going to add some scoops of the whipped topping. And once again, as a reminder, it needs to be frozen, of the frozen whipped topping. Then you're going to add the root beer to the mixture. Make sure not to add too much. That should do. So now what you're going to do is you're going to let this blend for about a minute. Alright, so our minute is up. Let's remove the lid and see how it turned out. Alright, so this is how your final product should look like. So now I'm going to give it a little taste test. Interesting. I think I came up with a new type of dessert, especially a dessert worthy of a restaurant exclusive. Not sure if this would work out, but I think it would. Anyway, thanks for tuning in on today's cooking video, and I hope to see you next time.